ভাৰতে পৃথ্বী 2 মিসাইল সফলতাপূৰ্বকভাৱে পৰীক্ষা কৰিছে। ইণ্ডিয়া successfully test fired 2 rounds of its indigenously developed nuclear capable Prithvi 2 missile. The tests were conducted from mobile launcher from Launch Complex 3 of Chandipur Integrated Test Range in Balasur district of Odisha. Prithvi 2 missile to develop কৰিছে ভাৰতৰ DRDO. Prithvi 2 missileৰ ক্ষমতা হৈছে 500 পৰা 1000 কেজি ওজনৰ নিউক্লিয়াৰ warhead কঢ়িয়াই নিব পৰা ক্ষমতা। The state of the art missile is powered by liquid propulsion twin engines. It uses an advanced inertial guidance system with maneuvering orbit to hit its target. ৰাষ্ট্ৰীয় ইন্টেলিজেন্স গ্ৰিড আৰম্ভ হ'ব 31 ডিসেম্বৰ 2020 চনৰ পৰা। ইয়াক নেট গ্ৰিড বুলিও কোৱা হয়। On 20 November 2019, it was announced in Lok Sabha that the ambitious National Intelligence Grid (NET Grid) project will begin by 31st December 2020. The NET Grid is a counter-terrorism program. The grid connects databases of core security agencies of India. It utilizes technologies like big data to study and analyze huge amounts of data from various intelligence and enforcement agencies. It was first proposed after the Mumbai terror attacks. So NetGrid to eta all India cover kora national data grid hobo jot protito amar security agency database to connect kora thakibo aru police CRPF army personnel hokolo ei database to access kori criminals bor record bor ekobare sonkale access koribo paribo। 20 নৱেম্বৰ টু বিশ্ব শিশু দিৱস হিচাপে পালন কৰা যায়। The World Children's Day, also known as Universal Children's Day, is observed every year across the world on 28th November. এটো ইউনিসেফে পালন কৰে। This day is promoted and coordinated by United Nations Children's Fund, that is UNICEF. বিশ্ব শিশু দিৱস হিচাপে 20 নৱেম্বৰটো কিয় বাছি লোৱা হৈছে? ইয়াৰ কাৰণ হৈছে যে it was an important date as it is the date in 1959 when UNGA adopted Declaration of Rights of the Child. It is also the date in 1989 when UNGA adopted the Convention on the Rights of the Child. Since 1990, World Children's Day also marks the anniversary of the date that UN General Assembly adopted both the Declaration and the Convention of the Children's Rights. 2019 চনৰ ইন্দিৰা গান্ধী শান্তি বঁটা ছাৰ ডেভিড এটেনবৰক প্ৰদান কৰা হৈছে। Renowned naturalist and broadcaster Sir David Attenborough will be conferred the Indira Gandhi Peace Prize for Peace, Disarmament and Development for the year 2019. He was selected for the 2019 prize by an international jury chaired by former President Pranab Mukherjee. David Attenborough এজন বিশ্ববিখ্যাত প্ৰকৃতিবিদ। He is being awarded the prize for a lifetime of doing more to reveal wonders of natural world to the people than perhaps any other individual. তেওঁ বিশেষকে খ্যাতি লাভ কৰিছিল নেশ্যনেল জিঅ'গ্ৰাফিক আৰু BBC প্ৰগ্ৰামবোৰৰ মাধ্যমেৰে। His work, most of it for BBC, has received widespread recognition across the world. About the Indira Gandhi Peace Prize. Indira Gandhi Peace Prize is an annual prestigious award named after former Prime Minister Indira Gandhi. It is conferred every year by Indira Gandhi Memorial Trust since 1986 and the prize money consists of 25 lakhs. The award recognizes creative efforts by individuals or organizations working towards creating new international economic order, promoting international peace and development, as well as ensuring that scientific discoveries are used for larger good of humanity and enlarging the scope of freedom.